I'm Maury, and the question is, what do I like to do on a Monday to make a difference? And well, for me, it is a little sort of masochistic. It is not eating. So from Sunday in the evening, about 8 p.m, through to Tuesday lunchtime, which on average is around 36 to 40 hours once a week, I don't eat. And having lived in China for 12 years, this shocks most of my Chinese who have to eat at 12 noon. But what I find is that in the Monday, the full Monday that I don't eat, I go through all these sort of internal battles mentally, where I get to about lunchtime and I'm okay, but by 3 o'clock I've got the hangries. That's right, the angry hungries, and I have to force myself, I have to be proactive and think about how I behave and how I react to other people, and how little things that other people would do, I would just ignore had I had a full meal, really grate on me, and I have to control my frustrations. And just one example of that, I was, unfortunately, a homeless person was begging on the side of the street in front of a supermarket. And I didn't notice his tin of money, and I kicked the tin, and his money, well, it wasn't a lot to be fair, but the money went over the ground, and he turned to me and he got angry at me, even though he'd put this tin in the middle of a path. And what did I do? I got massively angry at him, because he was, he was technically in the wrong, but of course this is a man who needs a lot more help than I do. I walked off fuming, and about a minute later I realised, oh, what am I doing? I'm overreacting. And I walked into the coffee shop which I was going to, and I bought 2 coffees, and I brought one back to him, and I said, look mate, I'm really sorry about that. And he looked at me as if he'd never seen me before. Yep, that's the problem. Being homeless, he probably had no idea and had already forgotten about it. So yeah, I guess a bigger man than me. So that's what I like to do on a Monday, and that's not eat. So I can overcome those internal battles and be stronger under stress.